Okay, today we do another face mask, another peel-off face mask. This one is the French pink clay peel-off mask. But first, howdy my peeps. If you're just tuning in for the first time, welcome. And if you're coming back for more, thank you. I appreciate you. But without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna prep my face. I didn't put on any makeup, but, well, I did put on eyeliner and mascara because I wanted my eyes to pop for you guys. But I will still, clean it around my eyes. Trying to be careful not to take off my makeup, or take off my eyes, rather. Hopefully this time we don't get that close. But anyways, and for all my ladies out there who wear makeup and then have to wash their face at the end of the night, these are amazing. I will link them down below in the description if you want to grab some. They're very soft, very easy to use, very easy on your skin. Like, I have sensitive skin, and these are fairly nice and cushy and awesome, and yeah. Try not to make a huge mess. Bear with me. Okay. Microfiber washcloths. Very gentle. Okay, so let's do this thing. Let me get my hair out of my way. This French pink clay peel off mask. It says apply an even layer to clean dry face, avoiding eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until dry. Gently peel off mask from outer edges. Rinse with warm water. Use twice a week or as often as needed. So, let us see if it does anything. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably not gonna look like much. It's probably just gonna look like my normal complexion. You guys may not even be able to tell that I have it on. Ooh, it's cold, it's a wee bit cold. Smells good. As seems to be the case so far amongst all Freeman face masks that I've tried. They all smell pretty delicious. This might be the shade and consistency of if you wanted to play a prank on someone and make it look like your face was melting off, or Halloween's coming up. Go around with dead skin, or what looks like dead skin. I don't know. Guess we'll see what it looks like when it dries. You guys may not be able to tell, but I'm putting it on kind of thick. Alright, well, I feel like it's not a bad idea to tell you guys a story while we're doing this. So, that's what I'm gonna do. Crap. Got it in my hair. Guess there's no avoiding that. Unless you have like a brush. Okay. So, story time. Well, how's about I tell you guys a story about the time I almost gave myself a concussion from sneezing. Here I was in my early 20s and lived 27 steps away from my cousin. And one thing that my cousin and I enjoyed doing on weekends was either going to the bar or hanging out at her place, cooking food, listening to music, playing cards, drinking, all that fun stuff. At the time, she was newly dating her now husband at the time that this incident happened. And so here it was, Saturday night. Her beau was over, and we were all hanging out, getting to know each other. We decided we were gonna drink and play rummy. Well, my cousin had this big, solid coffee table. I mean, it was thick, it was solid, it was painful. They were sitting across from me on the couch, side by side, and I was sitting across from them on the floor, tucked up underneath, crisscross applesauce underneath this coffee table. When I got hit with one of my sneezing fits, and I sneezed so damn hard, boom, hit my head off of the coffee table and fell backwards to the ground. Meanwhile, my cousin's checking her coffee table to make sure my hard head didn't just damage her coffee table. I promise you, it didn't, because luckily, you know, no damage here. So yeah, I almost gave myself a concussion as a result of bouncing my head off of her coffee table. And her biggest concern was whether or not I created any cracks in that. It's still to this day, I don't live it down, but hey, that's a lot of the stories about my life. I will probably never live them down. If you've made it to this point in my video, please take the time to subscribe, like, comment. All of those things help me out, and I appreciate when you do. Moving right along there. I have a question for you guys. For those of you who watch my channel regularly, would you like for me to do a live session? Please comment in the comments below. I'm going to link the mask that I just put on and the washcloths that I used in the beginning of this video down below in the comments. So if you wanna grab those, if we see any difference after I peel my face off, I guess we'll go from there. Is it nice and shiny? Can you guys see what I'm thinking? This one tastes a little weird. It doesn't taste that great. Like, when I say taste, I didn't get it in my mouth. I can smell it, and what I smell, I can taste. Also, another question. I want some input. I want your guys' feedback, and I want to go the direction you guys want me to go, within reason. I have my morals. My question is, if you want me to incorporate stories from history, funny stories from history, if you want me to start making up stories, if you want me to do a double feature of stories, one made up and one real, and then you guys comment below which one is real, which one is fake. That's a thought I had, but I'm kind of, you know, at my crossroads here. I want to know which direction you guys want me to take this. Product reviews. Are we still on the same page there? Do you guys like the product reviews? Is it helpful to you guys? Or do you want me to just stick to being goofy and funny? Or maybe a hybrid and do all of the above? The next story time I plan to tell you guys is a pretty funny one. I don't want to give too much away. I want you guys to come back and figure it out. Just be prepared. You know, your girl's got you covered as far as stuff to laugh at. Oh, another thing I want you guys to be involved in is whatever you want my background to be. And this is a green screen behind me, and I'm trying to figure it out. So if you guys want, you want to go on vacation, if you want like scenery behind me, if you want it to just be simple, let me know. Let me know down in the comments, and we'll make it happen, or we'll try to make it happen, assuming that it's, you know, copyright free. I have some exciting stuff that's, you know, I'm trying to get better for you guys. I'm trying. Then again, I'm only a month into this, and I think I'm doing okay. We'll get there. It'll be fancy before you guys know it. So yeah, the things I need your feedback on. Do we want to continue doing both product reviews and story time? And when I do story time, do you want me to involve two? If they're shorter, one fake, one real, and you guys decide which one's fake and which one's real? And or whatever you guys want me to do for my background. That's you know, that's my questions to you. We'll try to keep it entertaining and lively and awesome for you guys. I'm thinking I probably should have made this a little bit thinner. And it would have been nice if I hadn't got it in my hair. But hey, what are you gonna do? So for those of you who want to make your skin look old, maybe this is the way to do it. Like if you want to make like an old mask, put the stuff on, and as it's drying, just scrunch your face around. Because if you get really close, you can see right here, I kind of look old and wrinkled. Right here, looks like skin that's just falling off. You know, maybe in the future I'll try this mask again and see how long it can stay on your face without just, you know, falling off. Because if you're going to use it as a costume, I gotta do some research on that and see if it's safe to do that. Something tells me it would dry and start to flake off on its own. I'm guessing. Hey Mom, you know our thing, yeah? If you're watching, I left you a couple hidden treasures inside my thumbnails. Let me know if you find them. A couple eyeballs looking at you. So far it's only one. Maybe two after this video. You gotta look for them though. They're not easy to find. It is time to do this. You guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do it. This time I have a mirror. I brought in my makeup mirror, which I suppose I'll link it down below if you guys want it. It lights up. It's kind of nice. Okay, let's start where we generally start. Get it going across the top here so we can just pull it down like a pair of bad underwear. Here we go. Yay. I will warn you guys, the next face masks I have don't peel off. These are the last video and this video, they're the only two that I have on hand. And I kind of want to go through those before I buy more. I kind of want to see how you guys respond to these before I go and buy more. Still a little tacky on that side. See if I can come back to it. Oh, and by the way, it's been on for a lot longer than 15 minutes because I put it on so damn thick. I even, just a little bit ago, I used a fan to speed up the process of it drying because I got tired of waiting. Also, like, well, on the spots that I put it on too thick, it feels like glue when glue is drying. Okay. Ah, who turned out the lights? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, and apparently I forgot to mention this last time I did this. To me, it doesn't hurt. Like, but then again, I also wax my face. So, sometimes. So, yeah. That's a weird sensation. I ain't gonna try to show you what's on it. I'm not even sure I'm gonna look, because really it's that kind of color where I don't think it'll even show. No, 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 afraid not. Nothing exciting on it. Missed a spot. All right, gonna go wash my face. Be right back. Ew, it's like a little blonde booger. What do you guys think? Better? I will say that it feels more, the face feels more tight. Like, and this French pink clay peel off mask is for pore clearing, smooth skin for glowing complexion. So, I'm guessing if there's any difference, you guys will notice it, because this time I remembered to do a before pose and an after pose. So hopefully, yeah, hopefully we'll see if there's any difference, or if it's just hogwash. That's really all I got on this video for you. So until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and most of all, stay blessed, my friends. Where's your collar at? You brat. Yep. Alright. Looky what I got, guys. Looky what I got. No. Is it no? It's okay. It's okay. Just want to put your collar back on you, boo-boo. Yeah, I just want to put your collar back on you. That is all. Yeah. Putting your collar back on you. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Okay. 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 There you go. Stop, dude.